Hey everybody, Ryan here. Now if you're anything like me, you love having a clean house, and especially the floors. Now in the past, we'd have to get that big bulky vacuum cleaner that has the cord that you gotta trail around the house and gets tangled and everything. Well, let me tell you something, it's 2020, we got robotic vacuums. Now I've always wanted one of these, but I was always worried because the models in the past, I didn't know with all the multiple surfaces, all the obstacles that I had, that it was actually gonna be practical for day-to-day cleaning. Well, let me tell you something, this has a lot of benefits. The benefits of a robotic vacuum are pretty obvious, which is why I've been looking for one. They're lightweight, easy to carry from floor to floor. They go over every surface, tile, carpet, wood, linoleum, you name it, it can handle it. They're nice and quiet, it won't scare the animals, gets under beds and fits in weird spaces, like especially under my stove. It gets extremely dicey down there. It has lasers that can detect stairs. They also help it to see at night or in those dark places like under the bed. So there's a few things that you need to look for in a robotic vacuum. Now, if you look at most of the ones on the market, they're round. The problem with round doesn't fit in a corner. So if it's not fitting in the corners, you're not really getting everything clean. But then we have Neato. They came up with a revolutionary design. It's actually a D shape. The front of the robot is completely flat. Why does that work? Well, when it gets up to a wall and it's got a flat face, it's nice and flush. If you look underneath here, the cleaning brush, one, it's a lot longer than most of the ones on the round one, but it runs the whole length of the front. On the side here, you get this little spinning bristle, and what this does, it actually sweeps the baseboard and gets those little particulates off of there and in the corners and into the brush, so the machine can then suck it up and put it into the dustbin. So really, really good at cleaning corners and up along your walls. So the next thing that you really want to look at is the dust bin. That's the receptacle that holds the dirt that the machine brings up. Round ones, they're very small, but not this one. Check this out. It's really easy to take out, and it's 50% larger than any other bins out there on the market. Also, check out this nice big long filter. So as you can see, I've already been using it and it's doing a great job picking up all the stuff that I need it to do. Now the next thing you want to think about is how they navigate. Most of them work by cameras, optical cameras, and they just don't seem to really be able to map out the house really well. They get lost and confused easily. This, however, runs with lasers. It has multiple directional lasers, and it's much better at mapping the house and knowing where it is at all times. So when it cleans, it's very methodical, nice straight patterns, and it gets every square inch of your home. Finally, I want to talk about the app that you put on your phone. This thing is so cool. It's like a vacuum nerd's dream. You can pull up the map of your house. You bring this in, it only takes it about 2 hours to learn your home. Once it learns your home, then you can designate rooms. You can label them, kitchen, living room, bedroom 1, 2, 3, however you want to label it. And you can set the schedule to clean the whole house, just a room, 2 rooms, or a small or large area. It's totally up to you. Other thing I think is pretty cool is if I'm at work and I want to check on its progress, it will show me where in the house it is, how much it's cleaned. Every day when it cleans, it gives a report, shows you how much it's cleaned. So a lot of versatility in the app. There's a lot of features and a lot of really cool stuff that you can play with. This machine just really takes care of all the issues that I was worried about and makes it just a really, really good system. I am so happy to have this Neato in my house. Forget the chore of cleaning the floor. Get yourself a robotic vacuum like the Neato D7. Just plug it in, let it do its mapping, and press start. This just might be my new best friend. Sorry, Riley. For more information about Neato and their products, visit neatorobotics.com.